looking at basically buying the dollar, and so the first one we have, the weak pairs is the Swiss and the yen. So we're going to start by the dollar yen, which is the granddaddy of all of them. So this is the dollar yen, and based upon just what we did before and looking at the daily chart, you can see that the dollar yen has, I mean, that was the when the Japanese yen BOJ intervened, and it took us above the 77.84, 85.40, and coming over here in this week to close at 77.96. That is a very, very strong close, because that was a minor structure, and you can see the move. So right now we're looking at buying the dollar yen, and our stop is going to be below the 77.85. So if I buy it right now, my stop is about 11 pips. So we're going to look at the intraday in order to pinpoint. So we want to be buyers of, as I said, the dollar yen, and we could technically we can buy it right now, but just to be on the safe side, we're going to take a trade above the 78.07, which is the high of the day. So we're going to buy the dollar yen above 78. This is going to be my buying point. I'm going to buy it right above this high, and my stop, believe it or not, is the structure point, the 77.85. So my long stop is 77.85. Again, you can give it 5 or 10 pips, but you don't want it to stay. If it goes and stays like half an hour below 77.85, you get rid of it. Okay, and that 77.85 is also our structural short point. So it is my long stop, and it is my structural short point, and it is also my short point. So my short point, my structural short point, is the and it is also the stop for my long position. So on the way, let me find also my and for my structural long, the structural long point, the next one is the 79.53. So my structural long point is the 79.53. And if I go short below 77.85, that's going to be my stop, 77.85. So let me, again, this is, again, when you do your homework, things get clear, and it doesn't really take too much time in doing it. And when you have a nice clean chart like this, it's a clean buy, it's above your structure point, there is no reason for you to go short. You're buying it anywhere right over there, and you're placing your stop below the structure point, and below the structure is also your selling point. So you'll be selling it below 77.85, and it is also your structure short, and if you buy it, this is going to be your short stop. Okay, and the bias is to the upside. So with regards to the dollar yen, we're going to buy above 78.08. We are going to place our stop I have a structural long point at 79.53, and if I go long, I'm going to place my stop below 75.84. And on the short side, this is my short. So if my short point is my stop, I mean, if I'm going to decide to go short, at least that's going to be my stop, and my structural short point is the same, and it's also going to be my short stop. Okay, that is the dollar yen. So let me save that.